How to use the CRM feature on Monday.com. Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today we'll be taking a look at the CRM features on Monday.com and how you can set your own CRM on Monday.com. So let's get into it. Now, I already have my Monday.com account. All you need is your email to get started, and then you're gonna head on over to your first workspace. So we're gonna click on Add Workspace. And then we're just going to name this shoe store. We're going to click on create workspace over here. And now we can get started with building our CRM. Now, what are some of the essentials of a CRM, like a sales pipeline, forecasting, customer service? So what are the essentials that you need to put in and how can you get started? Well, first off, this is our new workspace. We can edit the icon from over here. We can edit the colors. We can use whatever icon that we want for our CRM. And once you do that, you can also change the name of your workspace. You can add a description. And whatever is the main purpose of that workspace, you can enter that over here. You can go on ahead and add members to this workspace as well as to change the cover. So now what we're going to do is you can just add members from over here, all of the people that are going to be working within that business or within the CRM, and then you will have your recent board. So you're going to click on add from templates, and you have two options. Now you can click on sales and CRM in the browse by category on the bottom left over here, and you can use one of the CRM templates that is available for you to get started. So we're going to load up a CRM template, and then I'm going to show you guys how you can build your own, or what are some of the essentials that you would need to build your own CRM from scratch as well. So to get started, we're going to use the simple CRM template that is provided by Monday.com, and we're going to customize it to fit our needs. Now we're just going to apply this template, and this is just loading up onto our workspace. And just so you know, any item within a workspace, so this workspace is for my entire shoe store business, and this one section is a CRM. Now you can even choose to create multiple workspaces, but items within two different workspaces are not interchangeable. So anyone that is working within the shoe store business cannot access any information in the Jane Doe workspace, or so on and so forth. So if we go on ahead and take a look at the CRM over here, it has created multiple different boards. So CRM is the main title, and within CRM we first have the deals section, where you have different clusters, which is active deals and closed. And then we have contacts, we have accounts, we have leads, we have activities, and we have CRM Learning Center. And the CRM Learning Center is just a walkthrough, so you can just go on ahead and delete that. And then you have your sales dashboard. So you can get charts and graphs to forecast and see the overall progress of your business. So first off, you're going to go into your deals section, and you can see they have two basic groups, but I would actually even click on add new group, and the new group would actually be lost deals. And then over here, you can add deals that are lost. So these are group clusters, and within each cluster, you actually have multiple different tasks, you would say, or multiple different items. So you have these leads. Then you can see over here, you have illustrative data such as the stage of the deal, the owner, the contacts, the accounts, the priority. And then if you scroll further, you have the length, value, expected close date, and all these other estimates. Now, you might be wondering, hey, I don't need some of these items in my own CRM. I don't have, let's say I don't have a location for my deals. Then what you're going to do is you're going to click on this column over here on the top. You're going to click on these three dots over here, and then you're just going to click on delete, and this would delete this column. And to create your own custom column, you're just going to go on ahead and click on column over here, add column on the right. So make sure you have scrolled all the way to the right. You're going to click on add column, and then you're going to add what kind of column you want to add. So let's say that I want to add a column that is going to illustrate the amount of money that is going to be money invested in this deal. So what I would do is I would click on numbers, and then I would rename this column. So over here, we are adding another value section. So over here, the only data that can be input is going to be with numbers. So this actually enables you to make sure that there are no mistakes in your CRM. So all of the data that is going to be provided within this section can only be in the form of numbers, and this is going to be in the form of money as well. So you can even click on your settings over here for the column and click on customize number column, and then you can choose a unit as well. So it can be percentages, pounds, euros, dollars as well. So we're going to add dollars, and then let's say we add the amount. So we have $90, so on and so forth. And you even get sum columns at the bottom, like an Excel sheet. So you can even calculate the sums as well as averages, medians, maximum or minimum amount in those columns. So this would actually enable you to get the best overall view of all of the data that is present within your CRM. So in this way, you can customize the entirety of your CRM. You have the contact section, you have the type of contacts, accounts, deals, title, priority, and so on and so forth. And you can create your own board as well. Let's say that they don't have something like complaint. So what you can do is within your CRM section, you can go on ahead and click on new board, and then you're going to click on all templates, click on start from scratch and click on start from scratch, use template. And then you can create a new board that is going to be added within the CRM section, and then you can customize this however you want. Now, within a CRM, there are certain essential features that I would love to discuss with you guys. So we're going to go on ahead and discuss those. Now, first off, within any CRM, you have contacts, which is contact management. You have lead management, so those are potential customers. Then you have your pipeline management, which is the overall workflow, which could also be referred to as your supply chain management. Then you have your sales automation, you have sales forecasting, file storage and sharing, email management, and reporting and analytics. All of these features are covered in the basic CRM template of Monday.com, except for the fact that they don't have a separate storage section. So for that, what you're going to do is you can see within, let's say within the lead section or within the deals section, if we scroll over here, we can actually create a column and we can add a files column as well. Now, another thing you can do is on Monday.com is on the top over here, you have different views for your items. So you have different views, and then you can click on add view. And then you can go on ahead and add a different kind of view and add your files over there. With other things, you can actually go on ahead and have multiple different actions for specific boards. So you can just create a separate section within your board, which could be files or data storage, and then you can store all of your data for that over there. But another thing that you can do, let's say you have a standard operating procedure for how to contact customers or how to deal with a customer complaint, then you can just go on ahead and click on add. Click on new dashboard, click on add over here, done, and then you're going to have this new board, and within this board you can go on ahead and add those items. If you don't want to do the board method, you can go on ahead and create a new document and just share and have this document added into the workspace. That is going to be another way that you can store data into your CRM. Now, this is just one feature that is not going to be super optimized on Monday.com. Other than that, as you guys just saw, we are covering all of the bases for a super efficient and effective CRM, and you can just go on ahead and use these essential 8 steps to create your own CRM on Monday.com, just in the way that you would customize their one, or you can start from scratch to create yours as well. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the YouTube channel, and I will catch you guys in the next video.